In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Shopify. By the end, you'll have your HubSpot portal connected to your Shopify store so your customer and order data can flow smoothly for marketing and reporting. First, open your browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot, then click through to the official HubSpot website. Sign in to your HubSpot account. If you have access to more than one HubSpot portal, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. Ideally, one where you have admin permissions. This will help avoid permission-related roadblocks during installation. Once you're in, look to the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. Click that, and then open the HubSpot App Marketplace. This is where you'll find the official apps and integrations that plug directly into your HubSpot account. In the Marketplace, use the search bar and type Shopify. You should see the official Shopify integration appear in the results. Click on the Shopify listing to open its details page. Here, you can quickly review what the integration does and the permissions it will request. When you're ready, click Install to begin the setup. You may see an intermediate confirmation screen. Click Next to proceed. HubSpot will now ask for your Shopify store subdomain. This is the unique part of your store's address. For most stores, it's the short name you chose when you created your Shopify account. Enter just the subdomain portion, without adding extra prefixes or slashes. If you're unsure, you can check your Shopify admin URL to confirm the exact wording. After entering the subdomain, click Connect to Shopify. HubSpot will initiate the handshake with your Shopify store. If you're already logged into Shopify in your browser, it should recognize your store. If not, you may be prompted to log into Shopify before the connection can be completed. If you manage multiple Shopify stores, double-check that the store shown is the correct one for this integration. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. You're not adding any new steps here, just confirming the permissions needed so data can sync between the two platforms. Once authorized, HubSpot and Shopify will finalize the installation, and your sync will begin. Depending on how much data you have, it may take a little time for everything to appear. You can keep working while the initial sync runs in the background. That's it. You searched for HubSpot, logged in, opened the marketplace, found Shopify, installed it, moved through the confirmation screen, entered your subdomain, and connected to Shopify. You're now set up to leverage your e-commerce data inside HubSpot for smarter marketing and reporting.